Good evening, everybody. Today, the felicitation program of SLC pass out students is organized. The room was beautifully decorated. Room को बिराद मोजाङै साजायनाय जादोंमोन। मेडामा मेंनाय जिरायगासिनो दं। माबाफोर बुंगोन नामा? जेबो बुङा। गाजा गोमजायै जाना थांबाय दिनै। गासै 22 फरायसाखौ बरायनाय जादोंमोन। There were 22 students. SLC examination 2025 pass out students from Sandarang Rodempu Surungsali, Naugata. They scored 182401080, school code number under ASSEP 03H1060. Total APR from Sandarang Rodempu Surungsali 8. Pass 8. Pass percentage 100%. Star 1, first division 5, second division 1, and third division 1. And SLC examination 2025 pass out students from Sandarang Rodempu Surungsali Coaching Center. Total APR 22. Pass 22. Pass percentage 100. Star 1, first division 1, second division 6, third division 4. Fail 0. They are the students. Jengman Najari, Monindro Boro, Herokjoti Busumtari, Lobita Kosari, Musumi Busumtari, Urmila Boro, Ramso Boro Busumtari, Birpung Boro, Situ Boro, Rongzuli Boro, Jengma Boro, Neanjati Busumtari, Jasmine Narzari, Geremsa Boro, Mohorsa Boro, Jaisri Boro, Simang Songina Boro, Orkha Boro, Jaidev Boro, Radha Busumtari, Nersin Boro, and Inondo Boro.